tabla. Hello, dear children. Welcome back once again. Today we are going to learn something new, how to keep our rooms neat and clean. We are going to learn this along with a cute little bunny. The name of the story is I Tidy My Bedroom, written by Adrian Heymans, illustrations Monica Pierazzi Maitre. Let's start the story. I tidy my bedroom.
Daddy is cleaning the house today. He has decided to start in my bedroom. I asked Daddy to let me tidy up first. With Cuddle's help, I will be done in no time. I start by putting away my clothes. Cuddle gets to work on the toys. Look! Cuddles has found my favorite toy car. And here is the t-shirt that has been missing for days. My room is all tidy. Daddy is pleased with me. While he gives it a good clean, I take Cuddles to play in the living room.
The end. I hope, children, you learnt and you understood the importance of cleaning the room, of keeping the room neat and tidy, so that we find all the things at their places. We will be back with another story soon. Until then, goodbye. Happy reading.